Hi, I'm Will Blackshaw, Managing Director of Blackshaws. We've been using Pinewood DMS now for around 10 years and I would never ever consider moving away from Pinewood. The beauty is it's adaptable and sizable to whatever your business goes through. We've started using the DMS system more for storing of documents digitally as well. Traditionally we'd have cupboards and packs of physical bits of paper, and we now save everything within the DMS system, so everything's accessible quickly and it's reduced our paper usage dramatically. The Pinewood DMS system has got quite a lot of integration with various manufacturers. We represent 6 brands, and in particular one that we started using last year was the Suzuki recall check. That was quite a manual process of checking every job against the manufacturer database, a lot of double keying, and there was always the element and risk of missing a booking. So we've got that integration now, which makes it so much easier. It time stamps it, so it gives you the confidence that every vehicle is being checked for recalls. Another benefit of the Pinewood DMS system post-pandemic is the fact that we're now using it to advertise the new stock vehicles that we do manage to get. We can use the Stock Plus app to photograph the physical new car when it arrives. This feeds through to our website, which allows us to then use finance calculators for that specific new car, and this is all driven from the Pinewood DMS system. Since new cars have been difficult to obtain, we've had to increase our used car portfolio. We've used the DMS system now with the API feed for used stock to keep that up to date and much quicker. The data point reporting also allows me to see the performance and sort of forecast of any department at any point within the day. It's all integrated across 2 sites. It just makes life so much easier than going through various reporting screens and various sort of bolt-on software systems. Pinewood DMS has a really good support structure, from being able to discuss things with your account manager directly via the telephone, drop them an email. Also within the support feature of live chat, quite often there's video tutorials for new beginners, and there's a lot of training modules available, which is helpful. It's really good in that respect because everyone's different, everyone likes support in different ways, and I think Pinewood have really covered off everyone's personal preference of support and training. I would recommend Pinewood DMS to any dealership. There's so many different ways you can do things within the system. It allows you to adapt it to your personal preference or processes. So they're a very forward-thinking company and continue to make our lives easier.